Hey everyone, my name is Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. If you live in Ireland, you must be aware that now you can claim your rent tax credit. You might be thinking why I'm making this video now because it's been a while since it was announced. Well, I never thought of making a video on this topic until my friends and colleagues started asking me when I'm going to make a video on this. So without any further ado, let's get straight into my screen. Before you start your application process, make sure that you are eligible to apply for rent tax credit. If you are still unsure about your eligibility, please go to the description of this video and check the link provided. Now we will go to revenue website, which is revenue.ie, and then you need to sign in into my accounts by putting your details. I will fill in my details and I'll see you on next page. Once you are signed in, you have to go to Review Your Tax 2019 to 2022 and then Request for Statement of Liability. Here you can see your balance if you need to pay anything. For me, it's 0. And then you will find your other details on this page, which I'm gonna hide, and I'll just scroll down to the end of this page and press Complete Your Tax Return. To complete your income tax return and request your statement of liability, you need to complete these 5 sections given here. First one is personal details. You can update your personal details here, like changing your phone number, address, your marital status, and you can also update your spouse PPSN. So I will just scroll down and press next. Second section consists of your pay income, which is your employer and your tax info. You can click edit to add any additional information. So I'll just scroll down and click next. Third section is non-pay income. Here you can add new income which is not on record. So I will just scroll down and click next. Fourth section is tax credits and reliefs. So here we need to apply for a rent tax credit. You need to choose you and your family and then choose rent tax credit. It has 5 sections. Let's start. First one is who are you claiming for? So for me, self. Then, are you in receipt of HAP, RAS or any other housing support scheme? So, no for me. Next one, I confirm that the landlord is not a government minister or a commissioner of public works who owns the property in an official capacity and is not a housing authority or housing association. So, yes for me, and then next. Section 2, you need to enter your PPS number, and then second question is the property a RTB registered property? So if your property is RTB registered, you can click on yes, and then it will pop in a box where you can enter your RTB registration number. And if it's not RTB registered, you can just press on no and then next. Another part of section 2 is the property under a license agreement, such the rent a room scheme. Yes for me. Are you related to your landlord? No for me. Just in case if your property is not registered into RTB or if your property is not under a license agreement and you are pressing no, so it will say that you are not eligible to claim for rent credit. Next part of section 2 is property your PPR, that is principal private residence, which means house or apartment which you occupy as your only or main residence. Here it's yes for me. If it's yes for you, then you need to put your start date and estimated end date of tenancy, and it will calculate your duration of lease. And if you're selecting no, it will ask you is property used for work or study, and then you can put your start date of tenancy and estimated end date of tenancy. Then again it will calculate your duration of lease, and after that press next. Section 4. Landlords or agents details. You need to fill in their details. If you don't have their PPS number, you can leave it empty as it's not mandatory and then press on next. Last section, section 5, name of person or agent rent has been paid to. Here you need to enter your landlord's or agency name. Gross relief due, so the maximum amount you can claim is 2500 euros, and then it will calculate your net credit due. Then final step to confirm the declaration and click on next. And then in the end, you need to click on secure sign and submit your application. So that's all about how to claim your rent tax credit. If you find this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my next video. Until next time, bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you in my next vlog.